Chapter 8. Cell, the unit of life. Definition. Cell is the fundamental, structural, and functional unit of life. All organisms are composed of cells. Unicellular, single cell composed, and multicellular, many cell composed. Unicellular organism. Independent existence perform all essential function of life. Discoveries. First living cell observed Anton von Leeuwenhoek and nucleus discovered by Robert Brown. Cell theory in 1838 and 1839. First scientist Matthias Leiden in 1838. German botanist. All plants are composed of different kind of cells which form tissue of the plant. Theodor Sohn, German zoologist. All the bodies of animals and plants composed of cells and product of cells. Presence of cell wall is a unique characteristic of plant cell. Rudolf Virchow. New cells are formed from pre-existing cell, omnicellula, acellula. Every cell arises from another cell. Final shape of cell theory. All living organisms are composed of cells and product of cells. All cells arise from pre-existing cell. Overview of cell. Cytoplasm. Main arena of cellular activity in both plant and animal cell. Both prokaryotic, eukaryotic cells, semi-fluid matrix. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, both prokaryotic and eukaryotic, a semi-fluid matrix occupy in the phloem of the cell. Organelle. Without membrane, ribosome. Ribosome present prokaryotes and all eukaryotes. Centriole. Centriole absent prokaryotes and absent in plants and present in animal. With single membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, lysosomes and vacuoles. All are absent in prokaryotes and all are present in prokaryotes. But vacuole प्लांट्स में बड़ा होता है और एनिमल्स में छोटा होता है. विद डबल मेम्ब्रेन ऑर्गेनेली माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया प्लास्टिड एंड क्लोरोप्लास्ट एंड क्लियर न्यूक्लियस. प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल में absent एंड माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया प्लांट्स में माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया प्रेजेंट, प्लास्टिड में प्रेजेंट और क्लियर न्यूक्लियस प्रेजेंट. और एनिमल सेल में माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया प्रेजेंट, प्लास्टिड absent एंड क्लियर न्यूक्लियस प्रेजेंट. एंड साइज ऑफ सेल्स. स्मॉलेस्ट सेल माइकोप्लाज्म 0.3 micrometer. Bacteria 3 to 5 micrometer. And typical bacteria 1 and 2 micrometer. 1 and 2 micrometer. एंड ये डायग्राम में इधर दिया गया साइड में, ये एनसीईआरटी के डायग्राम में साइज दिया गया. और लार्जेस्ट सेल नर्व सेल. एंड यूकैरियोटिक सेल का साइज कितना होता है 10 से 20 माइक्रोमीटर. आरबीसी साइज 7 माइक्रोमीटर इन डायमीटर. एंड ऑस्ट्रिच लार्जेस्ट आइसोलेटेड सिंगल सेल. PPLO 0.3 micrometer and virus 0.02 to 0.2 micrometer. ये वायरस का साइज है, ये PPLO और ये टिपिकल बैक्टीरिया, ये भरा है यूकैरियोटिक सेल का. प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल. प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल्स. Pro means primitive, karyotes means nucleus, means primitive nucleus. Exhibit wide variety of shape and function. No well-defined nucleus and naked genetic material, not enveloped by nuclear membrane. And genetic material to genomic DNA and single chromosome circular DNA. And plasmid, smaller circular DNA. Certain unique phenotypic characters, such characters is resistant antibiotics. DNA plasmid DNA is used to monitor bacterial transformation with foreign DNA. Cell envelope. Cell envelope tightly bound 3-layered structure. Outer glycocalyx, middle cell wall, and inner plasma membrane. And all three structures are single protective units. And on the basis of envelope and staining procedure, two types, gram positive and gram negative. Gram positive stain and gram negative do not stain. Glycocalyx differ in composition and thickness of bacteria. Loose sheath, slime layer, and thick and tough capsule. Cell wall determines shape of the cell, provide strong structural support to prevent a bacteria from bursting and collapsing. Plasma membrane, selective permeable in nature, interact with the outer side world, and similar structure really to the eukaryotic. Mesosome, extension of plasma membrane in the form of vesicle, tubules, and lamellae. Function, cell wall formation, respiration, DNA replication, secretion, and cell division, and increased surface area of plasma membrane and enzymatic content. Some prokaryotes, example like cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria have chromatophores, membrane extension in the cytoplasm. Cell contain pigment. Chromatophore contain क्या करते हैं? पिगमेंट contain करते हैं. Surface structure of bacteria. Flagella. Flagella motile structure. Three parts: filaments, longest portion and outer part, hook and basal body. And pili and fimbriae. Pili and fimbriae are non-motile structure. Pili elongated tubular structure made up of protein. Fimbriae small bristle-like fiber spreading out of the cells. Pili and fimbriae. Some bacteria help to attack rock in stream and host tissues. Ribosome. Ribosome associated with the plasma membrane. Ribosome attached to a single mRNA and form polyribosome or polysome. And 70S ribosome are two types, two subunits, larger subunits 50S and smaller subunits 30S. 70S ribosome, two subunits, 50S larger and 30S smaller unit. And inclusion bodies, reserve material in the prokaryotic cells, not bound any membrane system and free in cytoplasm. Gas vacuole found blue-green bacteria and purple and green photosynthetic bacteria. Example: phosphate granules, cyanophycean granules, and glycogen granules. धन्यवाद.